Hello and welcome to the coding class, CodeWithFareed, and in this video I'll be teaching you what programming is and the language and what do software developers do. So this channel is aimed for ages between 5 to any age basically, but from 5 and then 5 or over. Basically any age can code. So I'll be running through like what programming is and the languages and what computers actually think, or what people think about computers, and what coding apps there are. So programming is a set of instructions which tells a computer what to do and how to do it and how to behave. So like YouTube uses HMTL. Like if you look here, programming has a language like we do, like we speak. So the coding languages, some of the coding languages are HMTL, Ruby, Java, Python, and Swift. So HMTL is used for like YouTube and Gmail, if you know Gmail, and lots of others. So if you can see this one, HMTL, it has a, I think it's called a dash. HMTL, it then has another dash, and then it keeps going down. So people think computers are very smart, but they're not. They're actually very dumb. It's just the programmer that programs the computer to do something. So if you think like the editor of PowerPoint to make this circle around this and this, it's actually the programmer, the software developer of Python, who programmed it to do this. So there are coding apps like Unity, Mimo, Learn to Code, and Java. Java is a language, but you can get apps for Java and Python. So there are many coding apps like Unity. You might know, because maybe if you download a game on Play Store or App Store, when it's coming in the game, it will have Unity. And Mimo, Learn to Code, is a very good app, but it's quite expensive. I'll be showing you that in this video, but other than it's expensive, it's very explained and helps kids if they're beginners or advanced or immediate. They'll really just teach you, and it's very good. You can become a hacker. It just teaches you lots of things. So I'll be showing you Python first. Python is one of the most used apps. I'll show you how to do print hello world and how to get up turtle drawing page. So that's all what you do to get this page up. You just put import turtle, James equals turtles.pen. You don't have to put James. You can put any name you want. You can put turtle as your name. You can put James. You can put your name or just anything basically. So that's Python. I'll put how to download Python in the description. And yeah, Python will be one of the first we'll learn about. It's very simple, and in the next video I'll be showing you the languages. So Mimo Learn to Code is one of the ones I was showing you about. So when you first search about it, when you first register, it'll come, are you immediate, beginner, or advanced? So I put beginner because I'll be showing you the beginner in one of the videos later on. So yeah, and Java, I don't think I've downloaded it yet, but Java is very good too. Unity was one of the ones I was showing you. I'll also put Unity, how to download that, in the description, and yeah, so it's very good too. So basically that's all the apps, and yeah, so I'll be showing you Unity. Unity is a software that you can do to use to make games and sell games. It's very good, and maybe late in one of the videos when we finish Mimo or maybe Python, we could learn Unity. So Unity is very good. So here is Unity. I'm on Windows, so every link will be for Mac, Windows, iOS, and I don't think you can get it on phone actually. And it's very good. Unity is one of the best. As I said, you might be familiar with it or not, but as I said, it's just very good. So yeah. And I will put the prices down for Unity, Mimo, and Python is free, but if you want to do it from Udemy is quite expensive, but I think it's a US company, and you can get a book from Udemy. I will put the book. No, it's Useboin. I will put how to buy it in the description. It's very good. This Python Useboin book, I very recommend it. It's for beginners. I'm not sure if you can get advanced ones, but yeah, it's very good. So Unity is about to open, so let's just wait for it to open. And while it opens, I'll show you Udemy. So you can teach on Udemy, and Udemy for business. As I said, it's quite expensive. These ones aren't that expensive, but some are very, very expensive. It does take some time to download Unity, but it's, as I said, it's very good and actually, it's not that expensive. I think there is a free one, personal one, and there's, if you want to do the games, it's thin. So this one, this is Udemy. Unity. You do need to sign up for Udemy ID by just clicking that person and then create Unity ID or login. So if you click products, see it says Pro, which is $125 a month. Plus is $25 a month, and personal is free. So as I said, it's very good, and every platform is here. iOS, Android, you can get it on phone. Windows, you can get it on the Windows platform, Universal, Mac OS, Linux, Microsoft, HoloLens, Windows, Mixed Reality, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, Xbox, Oculus, Steam, PlayStation VR, Daydream, and many more. I will put this in the description if you want to read it and find out more about Unity. And I might or might not do a part 2 on what is programming. It'll be way more descripted and yeah. So this is one of the chapters in the book called Guessing Game. It teaches you how to code it. Like this is the program, and it lets you play the game like I showed you. But this was the import turtle one. The import turtle they will teach you on the in the book. But if you want to learn it online, I think you can do it. See, like here, you click play, it will show you messaging to let's see. Hi, please enter a whole number from 1 to 25. Like all of this. Let's do 10. See, it says RS. So they will teach you this, and at the bottom of the website, I will put it in the description. It says try your own code. So you can put the import turtle one, or hello world. Hello world is one of the ones we will do. You have to put print, then hello world. As I said, I'm not gonna teach you how to do it in this video, but in the second video, I will. Hello world. If you play it, it should work. I'm not sure why it's not working, but if you do it on the Python website, not on the website, sorry, if you download it, it will work. So thank you for watching this video, and in the next video I will be showing you how to code with Python in more detailed and Mimo and lots of other ones. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something about programming. If you need more support, I will do part 2. So keep tuned for the next video, and thank you for learning with CodeWithFareed. Bye.